All right, so let's check out this new product from DeWalt. This is a workbench protection mat. It is 48 inches wide by 18 inches deep. You have retention pockets in the back, rulers on both sides, metric and standard. It does come with a 3-year warranty, 3 millimeters thick silicone, easy to clean. Very good for working on projects and keeping your workbench nice and clean and scratch free. So let's take a look and see what comes in the box. Perhaps a little sticker. Oh, nice. Really pretty sticker. I like it. All right. This feels fantastic. Really love the feel of it, no slip. All right. Obviously you gotta give it a little time for it to, flatten out. So just lay it out for a day or so. Or flip it, or you can kind of like do it like this. They should have shipped it this way. So that way, when you open it, the corners are down. So let's try that. Curl it up. Let it sit there maybe like that for a few hours or so, or maybe a day. Or maybe now. Let's see. I still got a little bit of it, but that's pretty normal. We gotta do is strain it out. Give it a couple days and you should be good to go. There, it's already better. One side's already better. Nice. I love it. Logo, fantastic. It's got little ridges so things don't roll the other way. And you got these little slots back here with a little bit of a trim so you could put your stuff. All right, so let's try it out. All right, look at this setup, guys. I like to usually clean my tools after I'm done using them. Usually once a month, or depending after, each project. So definitely love DeWalt. And you could use chemicals and it wipes down very, very easy. Also has kind of like a little ruler on the sides. It is a little bit harder to see, but definitely there. It does tell you centimeters. And on the other side, I believe you have inches. Nice. It would be nice if it had like the little yellow on it, then you could really, really see it, but I'm sure being rubber, it'll probably, fade away with, with time. This is a little bit different, or something like that on the sides will be super, super cool. But I mean, if you're here to measure stuff, this is more for protection and cleaning. Really like this. All right, so time to clean up my tools. Usually I do it with a compressor, and then I clean them with WD-40. Oh, this thing's falling apart. If I want to clean the mat, you might want to use some alcohol so it doesn't slip. But this will take some of the grease out. And voila, we're back in business. So, excellent. All right, if you have any questions, comments, you know what to do. I'll put some links below if you want to pick one of these up. They do help out the channel. See you guys on the next project.